Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram message deleted automatically. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search here Instagram and click on storage and cache. And first you need to clear storage and then you need to clear cache. Once you complete that step, you simply log in your Instagram account and click on messenger icon in the top right and try to send a message. So this is a test message. Okay, so now you can see that this message is sent and it is not disappear automatically and the issue is now resolved. So by following this step you can easily resolve Instagram message issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.